We're headed to Galveston to see the arrival of the Jubilee. And yes, we had to stop at Buc-ee's. And although absolutely nothing happened here, so much happened there. Come on, let's go. We have arrived. We are staying at the Harbor House Hotel and Marina at Pier 21. We're taking a look at the pier this morning. It's about 6:30 and we're out here waiting to see the Jubilee, and we're not alone. Beautiful sunrise about to take place, and we're ready for it. So we beat all of the press and them here, and now they're here getting ready to set up for the Jubilee. We see signs, chairs. It's starting to get exciting. It's about 7:20. The people are coming in, and the buzz is happening. It's really official now. They've given us a flag to wave. I've got one hand for a GoPro and one hand for the camera and the other hand for the flag. I'm gonna make this work.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Isn't she a beaut? Exciting. How many of you are about to get on her in what, 3 days? I don't even remember. Today the 20th? Yeah. There are some very fortunate people about to board her. And it's exciting. She's gorgeous. Welcome, Jubilee. Gorgeous. Yeah! Woo! Beautiful. Beautiful. Yes. They're bringing in the ship with Christmas music. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, they're bringing it in with Christmas music. Welcome, Jubilee. Christmas music and all. They're waving to us.
I see Santa!
Oh, there's Santa.
Santa's on board, guys.
Oh, there's Santa! Santa! Hey, Mrs. Claus, where's Mr. Claus?
There's Santa.
Oh, there's Mr. Claus next to Mrs. Claus.
Oh,
Man, that's the greatest day ever.
There's some dancing going on up there. I don't know if you can see it. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. She's proudly displaying her name. And pretty soon we're going to get to see that Star of Texas. And there it is. You can see it.
Heading down to 5. There's totally Santa of ours.
Y'all stop yelling at me.
And the sun's finally coming out.
All right, we're going to come back for more. So that was so much fun. Very excited to be here. Yes, I have my hood on because it was freezing this morning and very windy. And they fed us donuts. They gave us flags. There were signs available. And she's still moseying on down the way. Here she is.
8:38. Okay.
Yeah, that was so much fun. We're going to go through Galveston today and see what other festivities there are, take some more pictures, and give you some more updates. Okay, that was so much fun. I'm finally able to take off the hoodie. The people are dispersing a little bit now as she is sitting here. Where is she? Let me find her for you. There she is. She came in, turned around, backed herself in, and here she sits, waiting for the first passengers to board her on December 23rd, 3 days from now. Santa Claus was on board, and there was Christmas music and dancing. Yeah. So what my question is for you is, what day are you boarding the Jubilee? Let me know in the comments below. I want to know when you are going to get aboard this beautiful brand new ship. So now we're going to just take a walk and show you just steps from the hotel itself, just the front door. And if you just turn, here you are right here where we were this morning. Let's venture over there. Let's take a look. Here is Rosa the bald eagle. No, eagle. don't know why I said that. Rosa, the bald eagle. Let's take a look. Let's go this way. Pretty impressive, pretty impressive. All right, let's keep going. Here's something else that's pretty impressive. That beautiful ship sitting right here is pretty impressive. Beautiful ship. She's a beautiful girl, and we're just so glad that you're here. You're gonna make millions and millions of people happy from Galveston. Here are some other things that you can do while you're here in Galveston. Baywatch, it says. Prime time, no, fin time. Baywatcher. You can take these tours to do whale watching, and I said whale. We're in Alaska now, right? Dolphin watching and tours. We just saw this seagull right here. He has a shrimp in his mouth. He dove into the ocean. He got that shrimp that was still wiggling, and he's trying to get the shell off of there so he can have some brunch. And this other fella's trying to come get it. Can you see that? He dove in there. We watched him get that shrimp. He got it, sucked it down. Yummy. I just ate too, guy, so I understand. All right, here's a cool statue to see. Let's go around to see the front of it. Here at Pier 21. And right here, this was our room. So we had a great view of the Jubilee this morning. And very cool statue. Beautiful views right here at Harbor House.